Today I'm working on my 97 Z28. Trying to put a Corvette servo in the 4L60E. I've already started. Took the heat shield out, that was right here. 5 7mm bolts. Took the cross member is loose. Those are 4 15mm bolts. Took this little, almost like a cross member, but it's for the exhaust basically. I'm guessing it was for 13mm bolts. Took this loose, connects to the exhaust, and the transmission right back there. 2 15mm bolts right here that connect right there to the exhaust. And then I took all these bolts loose because I was planning on dropping the torque arm, but I can't get it out because the bolts are stuck. You gotta drop the transmission down more by, I guess, undoing the motor mounts. But I had to take the heat shield off because it was sticking way out right here and I didn't want to cut my hands on it. And I'm not sure if I'm gonna have enough room to get the Corvette servo out. That's it right there. There's not much room right there. So I'm gonna try it and see what I can do. This is a Corvette servo I got. Got it off eBay for 80 bucks. Came with all this. A genuine AC Delco snap ring. That's the first thing you gotta get off. And then it comes apart like that. That piece comes out. And the springs at the very end. This is the part I'm worried about. Just trying to get this piece in. I think if I put the needle looking in first, hopefully try and squeeze it in there somehow. Hope I can get in there. Yeah, that's it. So the first step is to push it back and get the snap ring out. A little opening right here. There we go. Got it out. Then there's an O-ring. Somewhere back here. See training fluid cones already. Shoot. Let me get a pan real quick. Alright, so I got a pan. So if you do this, be prepared for it to leak. I knew it was going to leak, but I wasn't prepared. Cleaned up the mess. Alright, now the next step. Do you get it cracked like that? There's a O-ring right here. Just get it out so you can cut it, because that's what's holding it in. Oh, I guess I just cut it with this. That works too. Now I'm gonna get some needle nose to pull it out. Just grab one side and yank it out. Huh, spinning like a wheel. Alright, let's go set it in the pan. Getting training fluid on everything. Probably should wear some disposable gloves, but it's whatever. And now she should come out. Alright, ooh, some more fluid. Drop that in the pan. Yep, that's the problem. Alright, let's see if I can wiggle this out. Separate that. Alright, change into disposable gloves. Probably too late at this point, but whatever. What I'm going to try to do is, I looked at the other Corvette servo. I'm going to try and undo this E-clip right here. So then I can hopefully slide this out off the rod. And that might make it easier to get out. I'm hoping. I'm not sure. Can't promise anything. Alright, so I finally got it. I had to work on it for a little while. There it is. What I did was show you on the new one. Eventually just got a screwdriver. Light's so bright. Eventually got the screwdriver right there in the groove. I don't know if you can see, there's a little groove. And I just pried it and it popped right out. It's actually pretty simple. I just wasn't paying attention and hard to see in tight area. But it's out now and see what we can do from there. This comes out. Spring. I hope when I install it I ain't gotta do all this crap. That would suck. And it is not separating from that. Now it's actually gonna start. All right. Don't know how, but I somehow got it out. I don't think that helped. But there it goes. It is out. Here's the old Corvette servo. Wiped it down a little bit. Here's the new one. Pretty much the same looking. So I'm probably gonna have to disassemble that like I did when I was taking this one out with that E-clip and stuff. But yeah, pretty much the same, but hopefully this one fixes it. So I'm gonna try to put this in without taking it apart, but I doubt it's gonna work out. Put the spring in first. There's a little spot in there. I don't know, you can just feel it that the rod goes into. Just put it on that so it stays in place. Doesn't look like it's gonna work. Yeah, I don't think that's gonna work. All right, I'm gonna take it apart real quick. Get the E-clip out. And this little washer looking thing. And the spring comes out. That groove is where the E-clip goes onto. And then that rod comes out. I hope this all stays together. Well, that's what's in here, a big old spring. Alright, now let's get this thing in. I can think I can get it in now. From the videos I've seen, I don't know if there's a particular way, but these holes, I believe, are up and down. I want to do it right. I'm gonna have to do this again. So take them up and down. Put in that hole, you'll feel it. Goes right in. Springy. Then this piece goes on. Keeps not falling apart, but keeps coming apart because there's no tension to keep it together. There's a spring in here. We can try and squeeze it real hard. Ooh. Now it's on. And then you put this little spring on the rod right here. Then the washer looking thing. Then the E-clip. I hope I can get that E-clip in there. That's the only way I can get this Corvette servo in here. There's a groove for it to go on. You'll feel it. There we go. Alright, yes. Yes. Finally. Probably took 30 minutes, honestly. Definitely took 30 minutes to do that. E-clip. My fingers are killing me. But we got it. Let's get back to the other stuff. Now it's pretty simple. The reason I'm making this video is because there's a bunch out there. I'm putting a Corvette servo in a 4L60E in like trucks and stuff. There's none. I couldn't find any on a Camaro. And I didn't know how tight it was going to be and what I had to do. So I made my own, so hopefully I can help other people out. But yeah, trucks are way easier, got way more room. But you can definitely do it on a Camaro in the car. Just gotta drop the cross member. It's about it, I really did. Some dude in a 3rd gen said he didn't show a video, but he put it in that way. But he did a review after telling us everything to do. He said he got the training to go to the driver's side, which I can't do. But I got it in. Almost in. I'm gonna get it in. Got it out and in pretty much. Flat side in, that side out. Pretty red Corvette servo. Get the primer. Pop that O-ring in. Oh yeah. There we go. Now it's in. I gotta get the snap ring in. Open it. It's still in there. You see that cool packaging? Got transmission fluid all over my gloves. Very slippery. But I got it open. Just gotta get it to snap in place. There. Don't lose what you got. I'll try not to. Is it deeper in?
Yeah, way deeper in.
Okay, okay.
Shoot. Did you wipe?
No.
You need the video started or no?
It's already started.
I'm panicking a little bit. I'm trying to get in a rush. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine. I just don't know if it'll slip. I can't see, so I'm just trying to hold what I got.
Lost my screwdriver. Do you see it?
Nope, I don't see it anymore.
You're doing good, so just keep doing it.
Okay.
Hang on. That made me feel good.
Sorry, it's just every time you bump me, it scares me. I know you can't help it.
Can you, if you can hold this like I'll get a flashlight, just to make me feel good before you let off.
Yeah, I got it. I got it. So I got the Corvette servo in. The key thing is to make sure you push it in enough with a pry bar, because the snap ring has to go into a groove. You can see the groove right there. Yeah, just make sure you get it pushed in enough for the snap ring to go in place, and that's what holds it in. Also, I'll be making a before and after, hopefully, of what it was doing, and hopefully the result of fixing it.